Hi guys. A lot of my students were having trouble submitting their assignments so that I could see them. So I wanted to do this video just to show you exactly how you can do that. I have created a practice class. One of our tech people did this for me, and she gave assignments so that I could go in as a student and show you how to do your assignments. So there are going to be two types of assignments. The first one is one where I've given you a worksheet or something like that that you have to make your own and then fill out. So you can open it up, click download, open, and you can see the PDF, it just popped up. Actually, you might not be able to see that. You can see down here, it just popped up. So I would click on that. And then before I can do anything with this, I want to go ahead and save it to my computer or to my OneDrive. So save as, and I'm going to click OneDrive. And I created a folder just for this. And it's called Teams Work Digital Learning. And I'm going to call this Practice 2. So this is Practice 2. Now, I could edit this document. I can do whatever I want to it and make my changes and however I want it before I'm ready to actually attach it to my work. Then you can exit out of it, close this, and then you go to Add Work. So you'll click Add Work. And you can do a lot of different ways. You could upload that file that I just did. Or if you want to type your responses, you could do a new file, and that will let you do a Word document, a PowerPoint, or whatever, and save it to your OneDrive. You can attach links. You can look in OneDrive here if you've saved something to your OneDrive. And my OneDrive, actually, there's the folder right there. Practice 2 is what I want to attach. So I click attach. And now you can see down here below my work, I have attached that document. And it's the changed version that I saved into my account. If you don't save your work, you can't attach it. I won't be able to see it. So now that I've attached my work and it's right there, I'm also going to attach a brand new document. I'm going to attach a Word document, and I'm going to call it Comments for My Teacher. And once I've got that attached there, I just open it up and I have to click Edit Document. And you can edit it in the browser, or you can do the web app. It does not matter. Okay, so perhaps not. Let me open that back up again. There we go. It was just a little difficult. Let's do edit in browser again. There we go. It was just glitching. All right, so hello, Mrs. Stanley. You looked lovely today on Zoom. All right, so those are the comments that I'm going to leave for my teacher. And I close that. And then those are there for the teacher to open as well. So now that I have my work attached, I just click Turn In. All right, so now go back. And there's one more assignment that she gave us. And this one is a form. And she saved it so that it does have the submit button at the bottom. So you can go ahead and just answer with this. And then once you've, let me go ahead and click some answers. So I choose C, and I'm going to choose D here and A here. And then I click submit. And I can click, it's got answers in there. All right, So it automatically said that I turned that in. So that is really good since I clicked submit. So now I go back and open up my assignments again. And it says that I have nothing left to turn in. So that is how you submit your documents on Teams. I hope this answered your question. If not, I have posted step-by-step directions from the county in our Teams page, and you'll be able to see that there. Thanks.